adorable avatars, and while they are adorable, we get real avatars back from Firebase when we use Firebase auth, so it seems like maybe we should use those. So let's see, that user is stored in app, right? Yeah, here's state.user. We have display, we have email, we have UID. Let's have a look at that, app.js. And we get the new user. Here it is. There's another property that comes back from Firebase called photo URL. I'm going to be Camel Casey in naming that field in our user object. But coming back from Firebase, it is called photo all caps URL, I believe. So let's see about that. What do we get here? App, user. Yeah, photo URL is now set to something, so that must have been right. So what we can do, we have a separate component for avatar, right? So this should be easy. So instead of URL, this thing, we'll just do URL user.photo URL. And I think it's there, but it's gosh darn huge, yeah. And I said height and width 40 pixel, but I should probably say, let's see, image size cover, would that do it? Background size, yeah, background size. Background size 40 pixel, ought to do it. Ought to, unless I'm an idiot, which is possible. Background image. So background is shorthand that overrides all the background properties. So if I put that in line, that's going to override anything that's in my style sheet. So yeah, background image is that URL. There you go. Yeah. Yep, no, valid question. So since we're using Firebase, I think it'll send that back to us every time. But if it doesn't, or if they don't have one, we could always use adorable avatars as a fallback. So how about we say const photo URL equals user.photo URL or the adorable avatars URL. So if this is present, the OR will just return. If it's not there, though, if that's undefined, it'll do what's on the right hand of the OR, which can be our adorable avatars URL that we had in there before. And then here we'll just use not user.photo URL, but just photo URL. Like if I, for some reason, let's find app here. Here's app, $R. So this set state. Okay, let's do this. User equals a copy of this dot state dot user, or excuse me, $R dot state dot user. Nah. I have $R. Syntax error, huh? Oh, yeah. A copy of. There we go. Okay, and I say user.photo URL equals null. $R dot set state user. There you go. And it falls back. So that works. Cool. Use avatars from auth services if available. If not, we'll fall back to adorable avatars. Cool.